If you're wondering why I've left this one stump poking out the side of the hedge, it's a big bit of hazel, and I'll show you now. So you can see they're split. They weren't the straightest ones, but they should bend round in a hurdle. Hi, I wanted to show you some of the uses for all this brash that's come out of the hedge when I was laying it. There's all sorts of things you can do with it. Quite often it just gets burnt, but if you've got long straight bits like this, they can be hurdles or walking sticks, clothesline props, that sort of stuff. Then you've got all these tangled little bits of brash. I don't know if you can see in this, the sheep have been in here. They've been all over it and they'll eat all the little twiggy bits. So there's actually some good food there. You can see here they've nibbled off the smallest twigs. Yeah, there's loads of other things you can do with it. Here's another thing you can get out the hedge, temporary fence posts. They might only last a few years, but it's handy for patching up a fence that's only got a few years left in it. So this bit here, it looks like an old stick, but it's got 1,000,001 uses. It's only limited by your imagination. It could be a clothesline prop, or I don't know, how about I use this bit as a stake. That can be a hedging stake. Oh look, this bit could be like a tent peg or something. Make that into a tent peg. You can get a little baskety thing out of here. Oh, what's this? Some firewood. That. Make another little peg, a clothes peg out of that. You can make some brooms out of all these twigs at the end. Loads of potential. And here is some of the stuff I made out of the hedge. Hurdles, nice twisty walking sticks, straight walking sticks, brooms, another hurdle. Yeah. Better to make something like that than burn it all, I think. So these brooms, they're really quick, easy to make, and they're surprisingly effective at sweeping stuff up. And at Halloween they're a carbon neutral form of transport, which is handy. I'm going to show you how to make a peg. You need a little bit of hazel, a strip of tin from a can, and a tiny little pin. Make a little slit in the stick, and then you feed one end of the tin into it so it holds it. Wrap the tin around and then bang the peg through it. Go. So that's where the pin is. You want to make a slit into the end of the stick carefully and split it. Right. Turn the knife around. Clean out in there. Tidy up the ends. There you go, a clothes peg. I've got some honeysuckle here. You know, if you're lucky, you might get a really nice twisty walking stick. Lovely flowers and that. Sometimes it's a right pain when it's up there tying the trees together. I like to try and use things to my advantage. So I've got this tree here, it's quite heavy. I'm going to tie it onto this one with a bit of honeysuckle so that when I lay it at the bottom it doesn't drop down and squash my hedge. It holds it together for me. I might even swing it round a bit here, like that. We'll see. There you are. So attached to this. Got hold of the other end of this. up and down there. I've done my initial cut with a saw. The idea is when I finish it off with the bill hook, I can gently lower the tree down. We'll see what happens. Right, let's see if I release some tension on the honeysuckle. Starting to swing around a bit more off. See? Oh. There you go, I've got it on this. You might ask why I'm not using a rope, because it's away down the hedge that way and I can't be bothered and this is more fun. So there we go, that's how you do it with a bit of honeysuckle. Yeah, look, it's mid-January and there's a little promise of spring poking out of this branch. And the rest of the hedge, nothing.